to use Canva's new AI tools to create unique animated cartoon videos. In Canva, click on Create Video and then scroll down to the AI feature Text to Image, and here write what kind of background you want for your cartoon video. And here I'm writing a cartoon style park in springtime. And choose landscape. And the image will be generated for you. And here you have 4 different images to choose from, or you can try to generate more images, but I will try this one. And now I will generate an image I can animate. So here I will write an air balloon, cartoon-like style, and an air balloon will be generated for me. And I can insert the one I prefer into my video like this. But I have to get rid of the background, so I will click on Edit Photo and then Remove Background. Since the balloon in the background isn't removed, I have to remove it manually like this. And now position the object where you want the animation to start. And now we are going to use Canva's new animation tool. So click on Animate and then click here on Create an Animation. And we are going to drag the balloon over the screen the way we want it to be animated. So you can make the animations in the way you prefer. And you can click on Smooth to make the animation smoother. And you can drag the clip like this to make the video clip longer and the animation slower. And you can create as many frames as you like and create a long and complicated animated video. And once you have finished, just click on Share and export the video.